Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dremel Blades is probably one of the most versatile tools in your arsenal, and the right blades can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a weekend warrior, the ability to cut, sand, and scrape with precision is invaluable. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Dremel oscillating tool blades, exploring the different types, their uses, and how to choose the perfect blade for your next project. Number 5. Dremel MM452 Bimetal Oscillating Saw Blade. This blade's offset design enables flush cuts, and it boasts the quickest cutting speed among Dremel's half-round oscillating saw blades. This feature makes it efficient for various tasks. The Dremel bimetal blades, when used in wood with nails, offer up to 15 times the lifespan compared to standard bimetal oscillating blades in similar conditions. This durability ensures long-lasting performance. It's perfect for cutting openings in flooring for venting, repairing damaged flooring, and creating openings for electrical boxes. The tool is versatile for a wide range of projects. The universal quick-fit interface allows the blade to fit most oscillating tools on the market, including Dremel, Bosch, Makita, Milwaukee, and Rockwell. It offers broad compatibility. Customer service is available via chat, email, phone, or at our service center in Racine, Wisconsin. You can easily get support when you need it. What we like. This blade's offset design allows for incredibly precise flush cuts. The bimetal material provides up to 15 times the life compared to standard blades. If you're working on flooring, electrical boxes, or any project needing clean, even cuts, this is the one for you. What people say. Sturdy blade, cut straight. This blade actually stays sharp for a good amount of time. Used it to cut out an old aluminum window frame, 1/8 thickness, on our 1956 house. They are working well for cutting the old nailing fins. Number 4. Dremel MM485B Carbide Oscillating Tool Blade Kit. This blade kit offers up to 30 times the life in hardened materials compared to standard bimetal oscillating blades. The carbide teeth ensure durability and long-lasting performance for various cutting tasks. It's perfect for cutting through hardwood, nails, screws, and even stainless steel bolts. This versatile tool can also handle galvanized pipe, cement board, sheet metal, and ceramic wall tile. The universal quick-fit interface allows it to fit nearly every oscillating tool on the market. This includes popular brands like Dremel, Bosch, Makita, and Rockwell. Each blade measures 1 to 1/2 inches in length and has a blade thickness of 1/2 inch. This size is ideal for a variety of cutting applications. Customer service is available via chat, email, phone, or at the service center in Racine, Wisconsin. You can easily get support when you need it. What we like. The carbide teeth on this blade offer an impressive 30 times the lifespan in hardened materials. It's perfect for cutting through hardwoods, nails, and even stainless steel. If you frequently tackle tough materials, this blade will be your new best friend. What people say. When used correctly, these blades will cut most metals, including cast iron, and can last a long time if cared for. These carbide-tipped saw blades work far better and last far longer than the normal bimetal blades, so their extra cost is worthwhile. These carbide oscillating blades are strong, reliable, and they make quick work of tough projects where you need to remove old nails, screws, and wood. Number 3. Dremel MM450B Oscillating Multi-Tool Blades. Introducing the Dremel MM450B blades, designed for precise cuts. These blades are perfect for various projects, ensuring accuracy and clean results. These 3.5-inch blades are made of black oxide. The half-moon shape is designed for optimal cutting performance. Ideal for cutting openings in wood flooring, repairing damaged wood, and cutting PVC pipes. It's also great for window restoration. The universal quick-fit interface allows the blades to fit most oscillating tools. It works with brands like Bosch, Makita, and Milwaukee. We offer customer service via chat, email, phone, or at our service center in Racine, Wisconsin. We are here to help with any questions you may have. You'll receive a 3-pack of Multimax half-moon cutting blades. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This blade's half-moon shape is designed for optimal cuts in wood and drywall. It's ideal for vent openings, repairing floors, and cutting PVC pipes. If you need precise cuts in these materials, this blade will deliver the performance you need. What people say. This is an excellent blade for cutting drywall, quick clean cuts and a minimum of dust. I used it extensively when cutting out damaged sections of drywall for replacement. It leaves a very clean edge so you can fit in the new section neatly and hide the seams. Also used it to cut thin sheets of plastic, 1/4 inch, and it did a great job with smooth clean edges. Great price and a nice blade for wood or drywall precision cuts. Imagine cutting drywall and almost no dust. You just have drywall particles falling to the floor where you are cutting. After a few practice attempts, you can cut a clean straight line at the perfect depth without concerning yourself too much about wires and whatnot. Number 2. Dremel Wood Flush Cut Blade, 3-pack. This blade is made of high carbon steel, which ensures high performance when cutting wood. It's designed to make your cutting tasks easier and more efficient. With the universal quick fit interface system, changing accessories is quick and easy. You don't even need to remove the clamping screw. This feature saves you time and effort. The Dremel Multimax oscillating system fits various brands, including Bosch, Makita, Milwaukee, and Rockwell. This versatility makes it a great addition to your tool collection. Use it to make precise cuts for installing flooring or wall trim. It helps you achieve professional-looking results with ease. It's perfect for detailed work. This blade can cut through wood, plastic, drywall, and other soft materials. It offers great flexibility for different projects. It's a versatile tool for various applications. It allows you to cut a 2-inch by 4-inch width. This is ideal for many common cutting tasks. This makes it a practical choice for various projects. Need help? USA-based customer service is available via chat, email, phone, or at the service center in Racine, Wisconsin. They are ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. This blade is made of high-carbon steel for high-performance wood cutting. It's perfect for making precise cuts for flooring or trim. If you are looking for a blade that delivers clean cuts in wood, this is a great choice. What people say. Cuts clean wood nicely and I'm still on the first blade after several projects. I cut a number of galvanized water pipes and the blade went through them like butter. Absolutely no marks on the blade. Number 1. Dremel MM389 Oscillating Tool Blade Assortment Kit. This is the perfect cutting solution for various materials. It includes everything you need to tackle projects involving wood, metal, plastics, drywall, and more. This kit will help you get the job done. The kit comes with a variety of blades. You'll receive the MM480 Wood Flush Cutting Blade, the MM482 Bimetal Flush Cutting Blade, and the MM450 Half Moon Wood and Drywall Cutting Blade. Also included is a convenient storage case. These blades are made of high-speed steel and black oxide. This design ensures high-performance cuts on wood, metal, plastics, and drywall. You can rely on it for durability and precision. The Dremel Universal Quick Fit interface makes it compatible with nearly every oscillating tool. It fits brands like Dremel, Bosch, Makita, Milwaukee, and Rockwell. It's designed for your convenience. Dremel offers customer service based in the USA. You can reach them via chat, email, phone, or visit their service center in Racine, Wisconsin. They are ready to assist you. All Multimax accessories are tested for endurance in real-life applications. You can be confident that every accessory you buy will provide proven value and performance. It's built to last. What we like. This kit includes a variety of blades made of high-speed steel and black oxide. It's designed for cutting wood, metal, plastics, and drywall. If you need a versatile set of blades for various projects, this assortment kit is a great value. What people say. Fits, works, great value. Used during a remodel on a rental house and it was a lifesaver. Found every blade in the kit for my multi-tool to complete the task without purchasing each separately. Very good blades, sharp. Fit perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.